Hello friends, welcomes you all. In this video, we will talk about the Catia Workbench. What is Workbench? A collection of toolbars grouped together for a specific purpose. This is Workbench layout, and these all are tools upon which we will work. And this is an example of part Workbench. How to open Workbench? After opening Catia software, click once left button of the mouse on start. Different types of workbenches will appear on screen. Here I will show you the step-by-step pictorial representation process how to open Workbench in next slide. Step 1. Click once left button of the mouse on start. Step 2. Multiple numbers of workbenches appears on the screen. Step 3. There are variety types of workbench exist in this Catia software for different tasks and different work purpose. For our course, we need only few of them below mentioned. First one is Catia workbench, second one is part design, third one is assembly design, fourth one is drafting, fifth one is product structure, and sixth one is generative shape design. I will show you the different workbench position. This is Catia workbench position. This is part design workbench position. This is assembly design workbench position. This is drafting workbench position. This is product structure workbench position. This is generative shape design workbench position. Notes. In the above slides, we can see different workbenches and we also seen how to approach those workbench directly. The most important thing is we can switch different workbenches from working bench internally as per our need.